Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, turn off your Dyson V8 and unplug it from the charger. It's essential to work safely during this process. Begin by locating the battery compartment, which is situated on the back of the vacuum. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws securing the battery cover. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You might notice some dust or debris inside the compartment. Before proceeding, use the soft cloth to clean any residues. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, you will see the battery. To remove it, press the release button located at the top of the battery pack. Pull the battery away from the vacuum body. If you encounter resistance, double-check that the release button is fully pressed. Next, take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the battery compartment. Push firmly until you hear a click, indicating that the battery is securely in place. For optimal performance, remember to ensure that the battery is compatible with your Dyson model. Before replacing the battery cover, it's a good idea to inspect the compartment once more for any debris. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring no calls or travel are necessary. You can get a professional diagnosis without obligation to see if more extensive repairs are needed. Now, replace the battery cover by aligning it with the vacuum body and securing it with the 2 screws you previously removed. Make sure to tighten them securely but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the plastic. Finally, plug your Dyson V8 back in and allow it to charge for a few hours before use. This ensures that the new battery is fully charged and ready to go. If you need a quote before repair or have any questions about your Dyson, our team is here to assist you. We pride ourselves on delivering prompt and professional service, tailored to your needs. In summary, changing the battery on your Dyson V8 vacuum is a straightforward process that can be done with a few simple tools. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our services are designed to help you keep your vacuum running smoothly and efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.